How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless at networks. Now go to the Wi-Fi and disable it like this. Go back to the settings on your phone again. Open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Snapchat like this. Click on force stop and then go to the notifications. Make sure to enable all the notifications and then go to the permission. Make sure to enable the camera permission. Go back and now click on data usage. Disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back and now click on the storage, click on clear data and then go back to the settings of your phone and go to the Wi-Fi and enable it and then reopen Snapchat and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.